Women differ from men by living their emotions more intensely than men. Likewise, they are better at multitasking and like to have different responsibilities. That's why they need tools that help them be more productive, maximize their time without neglecting a single detail. Clue. It is a calendar app to track the menstrual cycle, but it also has an encyclopedia with different health articles. It allows adding data such as mood, pains, planning, among others. It has personalized reminders and a health and fitness tracker. Pregnancy Plus. You can monitor your pregnancy week by week and personalize it for parents, grandparents, and other family members. It has information on diets, exercises, personal weight records, medical appointments, shopping lists, among many other useful options. Chiquissimo. It is an app that organizes ideas to dress, discovering combinations and looks to save them and create them with their own clothes. It allows you to organize your ideas in albums and share looks with your friends. Insta Beauty. It is an editor of selfies with more than 50 styles of makeup and 100 filters. It also allows you to make collages, stickers and videos. With easy and quick functions, you can beautify your photos, eliminate imperfections, enlarge your eyes and much more. Beauty tricks. Discover skin masks, recipes for exfoliating, step-by-steps and tutorials with tips for men and women, with ingredients you can find at home very easily. Food Planner. This allows you to have a comprehensive meal plan, recipe collections, creating your own or importing them from specialized blogs.